Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey and Bingo dance. Shall I tell you why Bluey and Bingo started dancing today? Can you guess? Was it because they heard music from Dad's radio, saw butterflies moving in the air, or just felt happy in the sunshine? What do you think, friends? Bluey spun in the yard, her paws light on the grass. Bingo clapped her hands. Let's dance together. Children, can you spin slowly in your spot, like Bluey twirling under the sun? The two sisters stepped side to side, their tails swaying. Mom smiled from the porch. You both look wonderful. Dad picked up a broom, pretending it was a guitar. Bluey laughed. Dad, play us a song. Kids strummed the air like a guitar, back and forth. Bingo hopped high, then bowed low. Try this move, Bluey. Bluey followed, giggling. Friends, can you hop high, then bend down low? Feel your body moving, light and free. They made a circle dance, paw in paw, round and round. The grass brushed their legs, the sky shone blue. Mom clapped gently, keeping rhythm. Dad tapped his foot. Children, clap, clap, clap along with them, 3 happy claps. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Bluey stretched her arms wide, then crossed them to her chest. This is my butterfly dance. Bingo flapped her hands softly, and I'm the little bird. Friends, spread your arms like wings, flutter gently, then fold in close. The dance grew faster, then slower, like waves on the sea. Bluey whispered, shoo, quiet step now. Bingo tiptoed, careful and light. Children, tiptoe with them, slow and soft, almost like floating. Suddenly Dad twirled the broom high, pretending to finish a big song. Bluey and Bingo jumped into the air together. Ta-da! They cried, landing with wide smiles. Mom cheered, bravo, my dancers! Kids, raise your hands high and cheer too, hooray! The sisters sat down, breathing deeply, cheeks glowing. That was the best dance, Bingo sighed. Bluey nodded, dancing makes my heart sparkle. They leaned on each other, cozy and calm. The sun dipped low, painting the sky soft orange. Mom wrapped her arms around them. Dad laid the broom aside and chuckled, tomorrow we'll dance again. Children, place your hands on your chest, feel your heart beating warm. Imagine Bluey and Bingo waving at you, smiling wide, saying thank you for dancing along. Wave back gently now. Goodbye, friends, until next time.